If your LG water dispenser has stopped working, don't panic. Most of the time, the fix is something you can handle yourself. Statistics show that over 60% of dispenser issues are caused by frozen lines rather than broken mechanical parts. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find out exactly what is blocking your water flow. Always prioritize safety by unplugging the unit and shutting off the water supply before inspecting internal components. A clogged or improperly seated water filter is a frequent culprit that restricts water pressure to the door. If your freezer is set too low, the water line inside the door can freeze solid, blocking all output. Determine if the problem is electrical at the dispenser switch or mechanical at the water inlet valve. While a filter is a cheap fix, a failing control board can be a significant investment in parts and labor. If the lines are clear and the filter is new, use a multimeter to check the inlet valve for continuity. You only need a few basic tools to perform these tests and potentially save $100 on a service call. Maintenance is key. Keeping your filters fresh protects the entire water system from mineral damage. By following these steps, you should have your LG dispenser back in action. Thanks for watching your Tech Pal.